Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? So I was thinking of doing a few hand lessons this week, and I was looking at reference, and I found a challenging hand attached to Izuku Midoriya, also known as Deku from the ever-popular My Hero Academia. And I ended up deciding to make this a My Hero Academia week, drawing Deku today and Izuku Midoriya on Friday. But only because both drawings present great opportunities to draw some challenging hands, as well as some challenging poses. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Izuku Midoriya from My Hero Academia. We're going to draw Izuku step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how tall the entire character is. In this drawing, Izuku is 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is roughly 4 of those. Alright, so let's start with a roadmap for Izuku Midoriya from My Hero Academia. So there's our roadmap for Izuku. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Izuku's eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out Izuku's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Izuku Midoriya. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in Izuku's final details. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Izuku Midoriya from My Hero Academia. Alrighty, there he is, Izuku Midoriya from My Hero Academia. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Izuku before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. He's a very difficult character to draw. You notice I don't spend time coloring Izuku during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on that drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Izuku Midoriya. And with that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step and what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Izuku. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.